huge double patty burgers cooked to a medium rare and grilled to perfection. Ang dami sa inyo nagsasuggest nito sa comment section namin, so ayan, pagbibigyan ko kayo. This place is called Borgerrr. Located sila sa Barangay del Rosario, San Fernando, Pampanga. Nasa Google Maps sila at sinundan lang namin yon. Pwede kayong mag-order by messaging their page tapos ipapadeliver na lang sa mga rider. Each of their burger patties weigh 1/3 of a pound. Meron ka namang option na mag-single patty lang, pero syempre, in-order namin yung double patty na. It's served with caramelized onions, cheddar cheese, honey smoked bacon, and their special sauce. They don't smash it, but it's toasted really well on the outside while keeping it medium rare on the inside. This results to a very juicy and flavorful burger. Tapos kita nyo naman, ang lalaki niyan. And I mean, just look at that. They are rich, super hearty, and huge. If anything, I would suggest kung pwede pa silang magkaroon ng add-ons na jalapenos or pickles because I think that little touch of sour, tangy flavor will elevate this even more. Pero in itself, talagang ang sarap din naman ng mga burgers na to. I mean, I totally get the hype. And if you love burgers, I really think that you should try these out, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love them.